The Medicine Control Agency of Gambia stated that there has been no confirmation that the cough syrup made by Indian company made in pharmaceuticals was the reason for the children's death who died suffering from acute kidney injury. The Gambian government had informed that they were investigating the matter and had set up a new commission of inquiry to deal with the crisis. The claim that a toxic cough syrup that allegedly caused the death of 70 children in the small country of Gambia in West Africa has not been confirmed by Gambian authorities yet. The deaths potentially linked to the 4 made in India cough syrups caught World Health Organization's attention, who flagged the issue, following which the Indian government and the Haryana government imposed a ban on the cough syrup manufacturer made in pharmaceuticals. Gambia's Medicines Control Agency, a national regulatory body, has not yet pinpointed the exact cause of the deaths. Media quoted Taizan Jalo, an officer at the agency. We haven't concluded yet. It is the medicine that caused it. A good number of kids died without taking any medications, Jalo told a news conference. Other kids died the medication that they took. We have tested them and they are good, media quoted Jalo. He further informed that the medical agency is trying to establish exactly which medications, if any, each child took. World Health Organization (WHO) on 29 September had informed the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization (CDSCO) that they were providing technical assistance and advice to Gambia where children have died and where a contributing factor was suspected to be the use of medicines promethazine oral solution BP, cofexnalin baby cough syrup, Macof baby cough syrup, and Magrip and cold syrup. The cough syrups are manufactured and exported by Made in Pharmaceuticals Limited, Sonepat, Haryana, and the WHO had informed they may have been contaminated with diethylene glycol or ethylene glycol.